So I'm Dr. Shashank Joshi. I'm one of the founder vice president of the PCOS Society. The PCOS Society has decided to start a e-learning platform, and they are actively using a digital partner in DocMode. This is an attempt to ensure that in these new normal times, we want to ensure that we want to get the state of the art knowledge, practice, and skills needed to make people living with PCOS their lives better. And in that endeavor, the PCOS Society is trying to ensure that what you listen, you learn, what you learn, you adapt into your day-to-day practice. In this series, we are starting with a curtain raiser of obesity and PCOS, which as an endocrinologist, I'll be discussing on the 31st of July at 4 p.m. IST. I welcome all of you all for this wonderful initiative, which is an educational initiative on behalf of the PCOS Society. And we want you to understand and get some insights of how to manage obesity and how obesity is linked to the PCOS. And we know that one of the commonest endocrine conditions on planet Earth is PCOS. And we are going to study very carefully the links between obesity and PCOS and how one should lose weight and how weight loss will impact overall outcomes of PCOS, both from a reproductive standpoint, from an endocrine standpoint, and overall health standpoint. So I look forward for all of y'all to listen to me and joining me on the 31st July at 4 p.m. IST.